G'day, welcome back. Today I'm taking the F150 down to Solar Style window tinting and Opti-Coat in Coorparoo, south side of Brisbane, to get full window tinting, PPF wrap and ceramic coating. Plus they're going to do ceramic coating on my new wheels as well. So I'll try and get the guys to get some videos of some installation and that sort of thing, and when I get it back we'll be able to have a look over it, check out the new wheels and tyres after they go on, and yeah, so let's get to it. Picked up the F150 from Solar Style the other day and dropped into Tyre Power and G-Bung on the way home. Got them to fit up new wheels and tyres after they've been coated. So let's have a look at that. New wheels by Koya, PPF OM2, 18x9 plus 30. Cool little carbon fibre centre cap, fully forged, made here in Queensland. And of course the Yokohama Go16 Extreme All Terrain. We've had these on the Navara for a number of years now, so go them again. 285/70 R18, works out to be a 34-inch tyre. I could have gone a little bit bigger. Some people are putting 295/70s on, but I was worried about the clearance in the front end, so maybe go 295 next time, but pretty happy with the fitment. Where we're at the moment, no poke. You can see the water beading off the PPF and ceramic coating. All the windows tinted as well, including the sunroof. Really happy how it's turned out so far. Ready for its next trip. So I've had the PPF and ceramic coating done on the F150 for a few weeks now. Just been out camping for a couple of days. Truck's a little bit dusty, so we'll just give it a hose off and show how easy it is to clean and stay clean.